call this finish Metallic Crackle. We're going to apply 2 coats of ProFaux gold metallic paint to the surface. For rougher surfaces you can use a heavier nap roller. Alternatively, you can base coat your wall with latex paint that approximates this color for more solid coverage. This will be the crack color that we see in the final finish, so only a small percentage of this color will actually show through in the final finish. We'll let this dry for several hours before we apply a second coat. After 2 coats of the metallic paint are applied and allowed to dry, we're going to put a full coat of ProFaux Crackle medium on with a roller. This can be applied heavier than you might think, because any little sags or slight drips will dry completely flat and not affect the final finish. Over slightly porous surfaces, we recommend a second coat of the Crackle medium. So if you're ever in doubt, you can always add a second thin layer of the Crackle medium to just ensure a very consistent crackle. When this product dries clear, you'll know it's ready to continue with the next step. We can apply the ProFaux sandstone plaster over top. This has been tinted with raw umber colorant. You can use universal colorant or artist acrylic. For smaller cracks, you can thin the material with a little bit of water. So the thinner the material goes on, the smaller the platelets will be when they crack. Rather than rolling strictly vertically like you would on a wall, it's better to change the direction of your roll to help tie everything together. We'll just let that crack, and when it's finished we'll see the gold metallic paint pop through as our crack color. For larger cracks, we can apply the material thicker with a spatula, and the trick here is just to apply it and then get away from it. Don't overwork the plaster. The little lines that we see from the spatula will become part of the texture, and they'll be disguised a little bit more. So this might be a good companion finish to the smaller rolled crackle above. So for instance, below the chair rail, you might consider using a heavier crack for a little bit more interest. Realize that your product is not going to go nearly as far because you're applying it thicker, and this will take a little bit longer to crack as well. So that is all there is to the Metallic Crackle.